can't go out this way. It's too dangerous.
No, Dad, I can do this.
It's too dangerous.
Dad, I can do this. I can. You gotta believe me this time.
I do, son.
Okay, hang on tight.
Yes!
Here's your kid! Look over here! Here's your kid! He's okay! He's alright! Stop the invasion!
I'm here, son.
Dad, look out!
Get away from my boy! Get away! Hey! Somebody
Tic-tac?
Why did you take our child?
Hey! Just hold on there, buddy. My son did not take your kid. You're the one that left him behind. That's bad parenting. And I should know.
Silence! Release the child.
Okay.
Sweetheart, oh, Kirby, I'm so happy to see you, my darling.
Well, at least they're back together. That's
They
the...
got the kid.
You have violated Intergalactic Law 90210. A charge punishable by immediate particle disintegration.
Oh, snap.
What's that? I don't quite.
Alvin, honey, he's saying they're telling the truth. It was just a misunderstanding.
Well, then, this is awkward,
Yes, it is.
I suppose I should
Put the big guns away.
Yes.
Now put them down
Of course.
and turn off your big voice.
But I don't.
Turn it off.
But,
Melvin.
well, I don't get to use the big voice very often.
Melvin.
Yes, dear.
Hi. Anyone want to try the big voice?